Okay, so we're going to be installing the Rivco highway pegs on a 2019 Honda Goldwing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the valve cover screws. We'll also be removing the injector cover screws. So if we take these little dust covers off of your valve cover screws, I always recommend that you keep all your parts so that if you ever want to return it back to stock, you can, and that's always a good idea. So these valve cover screws are easily removed with the use of a 6mm. Just break them free nice and gently, as we do here, and once we've got them free, we'll just remove those one at a time. Under these screws, you will notice that there is a gasket, and this gasket you want to keep in place. It may come out with a screw. If it does, go ahead and take it off the screw and install it on your replacement screw. The replacement screw is a nut drive with a 16mm, and insert that carefully back into the valve cover. Okay, and then we just slowly do that up. Repeat the process with all of these. And as you can see, they come out nice and easily. And again, put those aside, keep those for later on. Notice the gasket is still in place. 9 times out of 10 that's going to stay there. Insert your peg screw in, and you can just do it up a little bit, and then the final one. And again, these are 6mm Allen. So undo your third one. And then you have your third screw. And install that. And take your time. There's no rush to do this. So then just knit these up slowly and evenly. This is your valve cover gasket that you're impacting here. So start in your center and carefully do them up from the center out, and as you tighten them down, you want to be about 2 foot-pound, and you can tighten these up if you have a torque wrench about 2 foot-pounds. So don't over tighten them. They're not designed to be over tightened. You're just nice and snug. Okay, then we have your injector cover Allen bolts, which are 5mm. And once again, undo these. We're going to remove these completely. And you can use a magnet in there to get those out. Sometimes they'll stick on your Allen screw as they come out. But if not, you can just use a magnet to get those out.